So we are going to begin with our bell pepper. I just have one bell pepper. I recommend if you're trying to do a low carb or keto diet, I would just recommend not using more than one bell pepper. I also have my chopper ready on the side, and we're just going to remove the seeds from the bell peppers. And I'm just going to chop it like that so that it can fit in my small chopper. Okay, so I just like making things quick and easy. My recipes that I use at home are always like really quick, easy, makes very little mess in the kitchen. And I think that's how it should be on a daily basis so that you don't have too much to do at home. There you go. This one is ready. Don't worry about the liquid. We're going to turn the heat on medium. There you go. If you are not doing keto or you are not doing very low carb, you are more than welcome to also chop up a medium onion. Since we're doing low calorie, I am using the 93 lean, 70% fat turkey, ground turkey. So I'm just going to prepare this. Just have this ready for on the side. So I'm just going to put the peppers inside the pan. For the turkey, we're going to be using 3 pounds. One bell pepper is good for 3 pounds of meat. So I'm just going to leave this so that it kind of gets out some of the juices and kind of crisps up a little bit. As we're cooking, it's rainy outside, so you may hear some rain. But it is so calming and so beautiful. You only need to cook this for about a couple of minutes. This is perfectly fine. It's going to continue cooking with the meat as well, so there's no worries. So here is 3 pounds of 93% lean ground turkey. We're just going to place it inside, and what I like to do is going to kind of separate. So occasionally we're going to come back, rotate the meat just like so. We're going to get one bunch of cilantro while the turkey is cooking. We're going to chop up the cilantro. We're going to add this at the very end. You can see that it has natural juice, which is wonderful. Definitely going to help the flavor. This is not ready yet because I still can see a little bit of pink color in the meat, which tells me that the meat is definitely not ready and that the meat has to be evenly brown color. As you can see, this is pretty much done. I'm just going to stir it one last time, separating the meat into smaller pieces. There is really different ways to serve, and you can eat it with bread if you're not doing keto. You can even put it on pasta and some sauce. But for keto, I like to use lettuce. Unfortunately, this one is kind of like too long and it doesn't have enough space to kind of place the turkey and have a good grip, but it works. I mean, it's delicious. I just wish I got a different kind, which is more rounder, but that's fine. It will work. And kind of hold the lettuce. Okay, and let's get second one as well. just like so. And here it is. It looks absolutely delicious, and I'm going to show you how I actually like to eat. So this is what it looks like. It is absolutely delicious, and I like spicy food in general, so I'm going to be adding spicy red pepper seeds. So I just put a lot of it, but it is definitely optional. And basically, it's time to eat. Let me know, guys, if you try it and if you like it or not. Also, let me know. I lately figured out how to imitate coffee, but the coffee that is keto friendly, so no carb Starbucks coffee. What? So let me know, guys, if you guys want this really quick, easy recipe that you can make it really fast. It's gonna be iced coffee for the entire summer. And I will see you guys in the next video.